Weather day coverage continues now along our roadways. Your first alert traffic reporter, Brian Sherrod, was traveling on I-70 this morning, and he's joining us live now from the Golden area near Highway 93. Brian, we know a few different semi-trucks had issues because of that wind today.
And that's exactly right, Sarah. The biggest thing was I-70, where we first had our crash. That crash occurred around 11:15, and that truck was actually carrying 30 gallons of fuel from what Colorado State Patrol told us. That has since reopened, so that's the better news of I-70 East. But right now, we're actually at Highway 93. It's the intersection of Highway 93 right around Highway 72. We can tell you another semi-related crash is why this is closed off right now. You're not able to go to and from Boulder and Golden this morning through this area because of that crash. Now, Colorado State Patrol also gave us an update with this one. They say the crash happened around 8:44 this morning. This involves a semi hauling a trailer that turned into a rollover due to these heavy winds. A Subaru Outback was also involved in this semi crash. A 38-year-old driver of the semi was taken to the hospital, and the extent of their injuries is unknown at this time. So let's go ahead and go to these maps that I actually made so I can give you just the clearest understanding of what is happening here. This is the wide metro map. Look right here, Highway 93, like I mentioned, we're at 93 and 72. Semi-crash closing off this area, all in the purple, which means you cannot get through this area. I will tell you, if you're coming from Boulder, take Highway 36, go to 25, and take 58 that way. I would say the same thing if you're going from Golden to Boulder to make your life a lot easier. Not just there, I-25 closed up north for safety concerns. I'm hearing reports that it might be semi-related up there as well. Still working to confirm that, but what I can tell you is I-25 from Wyoming border to Mulberry is going to be the area that's closed up there due to that. So with this wind is high, luckily there are no fatalities or serious injuries to report, but a reminder, please take your time through this area because we've had a lot of semi-related crashes due to this wind. Make sure you are being extra careful on the road, 10 and 2 on the wheel. I would not take any risk of speeding today. You should never do that, but just make sure you're being extra cautious. Live in Golden, Brian Sherrod covering Colorado First.
Brian, we can certainly hear the wind out there. Definitely stay safe. And if you're flying out of Denver International Airport today, keep an eye on your flight time. The Federal Aviation Administration issued a ground delay because of the winds we're experiencing. Delays were as short as 15 minutes this morning, but officials expect those to increase throughout the day. At last check, the average delay was close to 2 hours. We are